If you are considering getting a gift for the special women in your life, it could be your mother, sister, girlfriend, grandmother, or a friend, and you're not sure what to buy, this video is for you. I am going to give you 6 perfect gift ideas for her. Now, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Gift ideas that women actually love. 1. Weekend getaway. Statistics show that women love an experience, something planned out and special. It does not need to be expensive. It can be a staycation, weekend getaway, or a night at a hotel. Vacation can be expensive. Make sure you find something within your budget. 2. A mobile phone. Everyone needs to stay connected, so mobile phones are essential. If she already has a phone, give her an upgrade, and so she can take better pictures and get latest features. 3. Jewelry. Women love jewelry because diamonds are a girl's best friend. Jewelry is a great gift to consider for her. It could be a necklace, bracelets, ring, depending on your budget and women's taste. 4. Shopping vouchers. You can never go wrong with this one because women love to shop. All you need to do is to identify a shop you think she likes and get a gift voucher from there. This option is best because she will choose what she wants to buy, saving you headache from thinking what you need to buy for her. 5. Scents. Scented gifts include perfumes, body spray, flowers, candles, body lotions, etc. Now take note of the type of scent your woman likes, because scents vary from women to women, so you really have to know the kind of person you buying this kind of gift. Make sure to do some research to check if they have any allergies. 6. Spa treatment. Women love to be pampered. Book her for a special spa treatment. It can be a facial, massage, anything that is going to make her feel good. Remember, when she feels good, she feels attractive. Women also appreciate thoughtful gestures, so be creative. Buy her a chocolate gift, bring her breakfast in bed, date night at her favorite restaurant, or a home-cooked meal that you prepared. Alright everyone, that is all I got for today's video. Let me know in the comments section if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.